We have a dryer, Samsung. This problem make noise. This first problem. You can show it. So many dust come here and it will be damaged. I need to clean this, and after the clean it will be work more and more. And this is two problem. So many dirt is here. This garbage come in this heater, and heater was damaged. It will be clean inside. If you want your washing machine work more and more, you need to call a repairer. This is the third problem. This is a motor. Motor has so many garbage. This is a roll. This is a main problem too. So many come here, so many dust come here, and it will be damaged too. And this I need to open and clean it and add oil. And after my repair, it will be working more and more. So many. I need a vacuum cleaner. Call me and I come to you and clean your dryer. And after my clean, it will be work more than 2 years, maybe more than 5 years.